Welcome! If you're trying to figure out how to find your Roblox web email address on PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can easily check which email is linked to your Roblox account. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head straight to the official Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. This is important because you'll need to access your personal account settings to see your email information. Once you're logged in, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to all your account settings. Click on the gear icon, and a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can manage all your personal information and security options. Now that you're in the settings area, look for the tab labeled Account Info. Click on it. Here, you'll find all the key details about your Roblox account, including your username, account location, and, most importantly, your email address. Your linked email address will be displayed right here in the Account Info section. If your email is already verified, you'll see it clearly. If you haven't added or verified an email yet, you'll have the option to do so directly from this page. Adding and verifying your email is always a good idea. It helps keep your account secure and makes it easier to recover your account if you ever forget your password. That's it. You've now found your Roblox web email address on PC using the latest interface. Remember, keeping your email updated and verified is key to protecting your Roblox experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials for the newest Roblox tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!